Alrighty then. Pressure wash is finished. A little hard to tell in the video, but believe me, it's a lot cleaner. Had a Craftsman 2800 PSI pressure washer and had a Briggs & Stratton 16-inch scrubber. It's got two jets under it that spins and cleans that old cruddy driveway really nice. Once it dries, it'll be white as snow. Had a little rain while we were washing, but that's okay. It just keeps me from dying of heat stroke. It's a lot better. It's a lot better. I hope you all enjoyed the little home improvement segment. This is part 2. Don't forget to check part 1. We got her done. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for giving my channel a look. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go ahead, comment. Like I said, don't be shy. There's nothing you can say that can hurt my feelings. I'm an old man. There we go. That's a lot cleaner. Looks a lot nicer. Alrighty. Y'all have a good afternoon.